Welcome to the AI Research Roundup. I'm Alex. The latest buzz in autonomous AI evaluation just hit the Hugging Face trending list, published a week ago on June 3, 2026. This paper is titled Agent's Last Exam, and it addresses a massive gap in how we measure artificial intelligence. While models score high on narrow tests, they struggle with complex, long-horizon computer use tasks of genuine economic value. On this new benchmark's hardest evaluation tier, mainstream AI agent setups achieved an average success rate of just under 3%. The breakdown of why these models fail reveals some major blind spots in strategic planning, showing that executing a tool is much easier than knowing how to solve a professional problem. And for those interested in the implementation, the authors have shared their code on GitHub. Figure 1 maps out this massive landscape, highlighting the diverse professional tasks and realistic workflows that make up the benchmark. The central wheel organizes these activities into 13 distinct industry domains, including engineering, life sciences, and finance. To test genuine capability, the benchmark features complex pipelines, like game development on the left and manufacturing on the top right, which require agents to coordinate multiple specialized tools. Alright, Figure 2 shows the breakdown of nearly 1,500 task instances across 13 domains. This chart displays the 55 subfields, showing fully implemented tasks in the domain color and unverified tasks in orange. Unverified tasks are expert submissions undergoing quality control, which is a review process verifying tasks run reliably. Engineering and architecture has the largest share, with 368 instances, while computing and math sciences follow closely behind. Table 1 displays the main result across the different agent configurations and difficulty levels. Under the mainstream setups, the top-performing configuration manages only a 26% overall pass rate. The 3 difficulty tiers, which range from near-term to last exam, reveal a steep drop in performance as task complexity increases. Lastly, the bottom panel focuses on the command line interface subset, demonstrating that even specialized agents face significant bottlenecks. Figure 9 breaks down agent performance and failure modes to reveal exactly where these systems stumble. The analysis includes a root cause taxonomy, which is a systematic classification of errors, such as planning mistakes versus coding bugs, designed to help us understand why the agents failed. Panel A displays domain-level mean scores, showing that both top models perform best in computational mathematics, but struggle in education. Panels B and C illustrate tool usage, highlighting that agents rely heavily on command line operations instead of graphical interfaces. Finally, the donut chart in Panel D reveals that strategic planning errors, labeled as wrong strategy, account for 30% of all failures. While Figure 9 analyzed specific failure modes, Table 2 compares the agent's last exam benchmark to other popular evaluation frameworks, highlighting key differences in task design. Under the economically grounded section at the bottom, we see that prior project-style benchmarks like GDP-Val rely on manual human grading. In contrast, Agent's last exam combines a long horizon of hours to weeks with automated verification using deterministic scripts, making it much more scalable. Figure 12 demonstrates how much the choice of foundation model dominates the choice of agent harness in determining success. An agent harness, which is the software wrapper that manages how an AI model interacts with tools, actually has a surprisingly small impact on final scores. Changing the harness for a fixed model only changes the pass rate by about 6 percentage points. In contrast, keeping the harness fixed while switching between different foundation models creates a massive 18 percentage point gap. Ultimately, the benchmark shows that solving real-world, long-horizon tasks requires a massive leap in strategic planning rather than just better tool integration. This challenge proves that foundation model capability is what truly drives success in economically valuable workflows. And that's a wrap. I'm Alex from the AI Research Roundup. Thanks for tuning in.